yeah, my HelloFresh box is here. Gordy, look! HelloFresh is here!
Dip.
A box.
A box.
A box.
A box with food.
With food?
With food.
So guys, I am super duper excited because my HelloFresh box just came in the mail. I always get really excited when HelloFresh comes because it has been a total game changer for us here. Aria loves it, Alex loves it, I love it. And if you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a meal delivery kit service. It brings everything to your doorstep to make a perfect restaurant quality meal for your family. So for instance, I chose the 4-person box that brings 3 meals in total. So we have 3 nights of dinner for 4 people, and everything is measured to a T. So you don't have to go out to the store and buy condiments that you're only gonna use for 1 or 2 recipes. So I love it. And if you guys want to try it, check out the link in my description. And for $60 off, use code JAYDIY60. You get $20 off your first 3 boxes. And I'm so excited to have teamed up with HelloFresh because I seriously love them. Anyway, let me show you my box and then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so here we have the HelloFresh box, and when you open it up, there's going to be a nice thick layer of insulation to make sure that everything stays cool. There's also an ice pack at the bottom and in the middle, but this can be recycled. There's recycled labels everywhere. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. So then they include the 3 recipe cards for the choices that I made. It says amazing apricot, thyme and honey pork chops, and Southwest beef tacos. They also include this nutritional info card. This comes in so handy if you're counting macros or you're on any kind of diet. And not only does it include what I ordered, but it includes other meals that they have available as well. So if you are on a diet and you want to order something that fits your nutritional needs, it's on here. So when you get deeper into the box, your food is gonna be packaged in individual bags. This bag is for my Southwestern beef tacos. This isn't gonna have the meat in it. The meat is at the bottom where the ice is. This is gonna have all of the ingredients measured out that you need to make the tacos. So everything is in this bag. This one is for my thyme and honey pork chops, and this bag is for my amazing apricot chicken. So now there's gonna be 2 small ice packs. So all of your meat, poultry, and fish is going to be at the very bottom. These are my boneless pork chops, my ground beef for my tacos, and my boneless, skinless chicken breast for my apricot chicken. And then at the very bottom, you have the 2 giant ice packs, but everything feels like it's refrigerator cold, and this right here is really cold. You need some help? Yeah. What are you gonna make? No. So Aria and I are getting ready to make our HelloFresh meal. She's got her ingredients. Say hi. No? Alex and I decided on the thyme and honey pork chops. Let me open this up and show you guys what comes in the bag.
So step 1 is just prepping, and right now I'm just gonna wash my produce and dry it off. And this one says it's triple washed, but we're still gonna wash it anyway. So now I'm gonna go ahead and have and peel my shallots, peaches, and thyme. And as you can tell, I am not the best at peeling things, but I tried my very hardest. So now I'm going to strip my thyme leaves, which is really easy and it makes the whole kitchen smell so good. Now I'm just going to half and pit my peach and cut them into slices.
Okay, so this is what their cutting board looks like, and this is what mine looks like. Gordon Ramsay would not be impressed by my knife skills, but look at how beautiful that looks.
What are you making?
A cookie.
A cookie?
No, a cookie.
You're cooking?
No,
What are you doing?
a cookie.
Okay.
Honey.
Okay, back to business. So now we're moving on to step 2, which is just mixing the honey packet, vinaigrette, and a drizzle of olive oil, and then adding some salt and pepper to taste. This is our vinaigrette for our arugula salad, and so yummy. I did taste it to see if I had enough salt, and it was perfect. So now I am going to make my couscous, which is step 3, and I'm going to heat up a drizzle of olive oil and add my shallots, and I'm going to toss until it's softened for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to add a cup of water and a very large pinch of salt. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 packets of couscous, because remember, I am making this meal for 4 people, so I'm using 2 packets. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add my lid, remove it from the heat, and let it sit until I finish the rest of my meal. And now we're moving on to preparing our pork chops. So I'm wearing gloves for this since I have acrylic nails, but I am just going to season generously with salt and pepper, making sure I get both of those sides so it's nice and flavorful. Once we're done seasoning, we're going to heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to add the pork chops to the pan and cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to make sure that I cook both sides until I can tell that it looks perfectly cooked, and that was around the 4-minute mark, of course. So once I was done, I removed them from the heat, and I let them rest for 5 minutes before I thinly sliced them. So in that same pan with all those delicious bits, I added the rest of my shallots and my thyme. I also went ahead and drizzled a little bit more olive oil since it was a little on the dry side. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my stock concentrate, the rest of my honey, which was in that little packet, salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna let this simmer. And once it's got that beautiful consistency and color, I'm just gonna plate my food and drizzle this right over my pork. And look how amazing it looks, and it was so easy to prepare. Looks like it came out of a restaurant, and spoiler alert, it was freaking delicious.
This is what dinner is looking like. I think this looks pretty good, and my hubby is going to try it. This is the first time we try the pork. Hi, you want to come here? Okay, let's try it at the same time.
Okay, 1, 2,
3.
Good go.
Really well seasoned. Oh, yeah, this is really good.
Yeah, cry? Yeah.
It's good? You like it? Yeah. Yum.
That pork chop really good.
Right? Like, it's super well seasoned, it's not dry. I did good. So there you have it. It was really easy, really good, and hubby likes it, Ari likes it. So if you guys are interested in trying out HelloFresh, don't forget to look in my description and use code JAYDIY60 for $20 off 3 boxes, so that's $60 in total. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me and Ari and my hubby today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.